There's a little known strategy to learn editing that 99% of freelance editors don't know about. And I know this because I used this strategy last year to learn editing 10 times faster than anyone. Before we start, I want to tell you that this video provides valuable knowledge without any bullshit, and it will actually help you a lot. I won't give you random tips like most of the creators do, so make sure to watch till the end. Editing might not be the hardest job, but it's definitely one of the most time-consuming jobs in the world. You will agree with this opinion, especially when you begin a permanent collaboration with someone. So if you want to become a video editor, you need to be consistent, creative, responsible, and open to new trends and ideas. The more tasteful your life, the better. If you're not this kind of person, don't even try to start because it's almost impossible to gain these character traits, and even if you'll gain that, you're gonna be bored and unhappy as an editor. Okay, so if you're the right kind of person to become video editor, you're probably wondering what is this strategy that I was talking about. I call this strategy the art of good stealing. Why? If you want to start editing like a pro, you need to gain some knowledge. You should know that trying to learn by yourself without any help is not a good idea because there are many things to learn when it comes to editing. Learning something incorrectly means you'll have to learn this again, which can waste your valuable time. And the simplest way to avoid this is to open a private Discord server or a Google Docs document. There you can save every cool effect you find from famous and successful creators. Save everything, every tutorial, every effect, every note, everything. Once you've gathered enough, it's time to go through each tutorial with a few days of consistent work, following trends, and learning various techniques. You'll find yourself ahead of 99% of new editors. It's so simple, right?